Okay, so in our writing today, we're going to look at the DD sentence. And this is where we get to use punctuation colon. So it really up-levels our use of punctuation. And it's really simple. So it's two parts of the sentence. The first part before the colon is a description. Then we put the colon. And then afterwards we put detail. So the example Alan Pete uses is, I was exhausted, colon. I hadn't slept for more than 2 days. So the part before is linked very, very clearly to the part afterwards. And you will need to do that in your writing today. So think about your subject. In the example I'm using, our writing is going to be about Hagrid and Harry. So Harry meets Hagrid and he is finding out he's a wizard for the first time. So I was flabbergasted, colon. I could not believe that I was a wizard, for example. It's a really good way to use it in different ways, but you could have all sorts of different things. But remember, this first part here is often about how you feel. And then the second part is why you feel it. And that's quite a good way to do it. So if you're trying to explain an emotion, it's an excellent way of doing it. You can see the grammatical structure down here, a compound sentence in which two independent clauses are separated by a colon. When we're talking about independent clauses, we're talking about things that make sense on their own. So I was exhausted, that makes sense on its own. I hadn't slept for more than 2 days. So they're independent. The first clause is descriptive and the second clause adds further detail about what you described, and that's how they link. And the important thing is that they are separated by a colon. And what this does is it really does give you a high level sentence structure that's well punctuated and is easy to follow in its execution.